Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how can we remix the reels on Instagram. So first of all you have to open your Instagram. You can see here this video or reel. I want to just remix this, so I have to tap on the three dots and then click on the remix option here. You can see here the two options to remix your reels are available here. I just select the first one. Now it will take a while as the original reel has been taking a time for loading. Yes, and it is done. And I just want to remix this page sheet here with this reel. You have to tap and hold here for some time. It will be uploading and recording your reel to remix it with the original. Yes, it has been done successfully. You can add now the text, curves, drawing, and emojis, anything that you want to add to your reel. For example, I am adding here a sticker, like I am selecting this one here, and yes, it has been added, and then move it to any position that you want and then click on the next option here. It will take a while for processing, and yes, you can share it with your captions and anything that you add to your reel. And once you are happy with your editing on this reel, you can share it by clicking on the share option at the very bottom right corner of the page. So guys, that's an easy way to remix your reels on Instagram. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.